What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be getting two things done. So first, we're going to be wrapping the hood. As you can see, I already have it cut to shape, or to size, I should say, at least. And then after that, we're going to kind of sit down and talk about what is to come in 2021. Just next year is right around the corner. It's crazy. It's scary. It's been a hectic year, I know, for everybody, but we're almost there, guys, and hopefully 2021 is going to be a much better year, especially hopefully for my car. I'm hoping I can get the car running before the end of this year. That way we can start the new year off right rather than with a broken-ass car. There she is. Looks good on camera, but it's really not. It's not bad, it's just not good. There's a bunch of little dust specks or something in there. I can't get all those out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just sit on my car. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. So what is to come in 2021? Well, first off, hopefully a running car. Definitely. But yeah, get this thing running good. I do have plans to do some basic engine mods. I would like to get a tune finally after so long. I want to get the Stillen intake. Just keep that all pretty much simple. Possibly, I've been considering it, but it's not for sure yet. But I'm thinking about getting some high flow cats. I don't want test pipes. I've had it. In my opinion, it's much too raspy, and it doesn't really sound the greatest, in my opinion. So that's pretty much the plan with that in performance and whatnot, engine wise. Interior, pretty much. I think the interior for the most part is basically done. I'm considering getting OEM seatbelts again, just because the whole harness thing really does get annoying. So I'm thinking about running both the harness and the OEM seatbelt, but I want to get the OEM seatbelt redone in green to match. I think that'll be cool. Just like I said, it gets annoying sometimes, the whole harness situation. So that, and then I want to get those diamond stitched floor mats that cover like everything, basically the entire carpet. I want to get that. I want to get the headliner redone. Right now it's the stock color, which is like, I don't even know what it is, like a tan, which is weird because my interior is black, but then the headliner was like tan. And I think they all come like that. So I want to get that redone. I'm thinking about going like a black suede. Then I want to get a just a in-dash double din. I think that'll be pretty dope to finally upgrade all of that. Interior wise, that's really about it. And then I plan on upgrading my air ride to the 3P, pretty much what he has. I love my AccuAir, but it's a pain, and it's starting to go out. And in case you guys don't know, AccuAir basically got bought out. So their stuff is a little different, and basically no more warranty or anything. I haven't even had it. I have had it for like going on 5 years now. So to the front of the car, it's been done before. It's definitely not going to be a first, but maybe we can try something a little different to make it like a first. But I'm going to go G37 front end conversion. I really like the G37 a lot. And so I think what I'm going to do is, though, over time, I don't know when next year it's going to happen. It could be towards the end of the year. I don't know. But nonetheless, I'm going to buy piece by piece. One day I'll buy the fenders. One day I'll buy the hood, the headlights, the front bumper. And then pretty much we have it all. And then I am, oh yeah, that's another thing. The front end is going to have the G37 front wide body kit. And then from there, that's how it's going to stay. But obviously you can't buy just the front wide body. It has to be all four, that I know of at least. So the rears, there's a good chance we might, or we are going to do it, but I just don't know when exactly. But we will have the rear wide body pieces in hand. So like I said, it could, I don't know when, but the rear end is what I'm trying to say is, the rear end is going to also get a G37 wide body. And then, this is up to you guys, but if my channel really takes off, guys, and I mean like really takes off, because as you guys know, I do get paid through YouTube. Is it a lot? Absolutely not. But if we start getting some hookups and maybe some sponsors and some people who are willing to be on board with everything that I'm trying to accomplish, and my channel really takes off to where I'm bringing in a bit more income, and plus my business, if my business really takes off, which is selling hats, shirts, stickers, masks, stuff like that, if you guys become really interested in it and all of that takes off, I am definitely going to be converting to a 6-speed manual, because as you guys know, my car is an auto. No, it is not a manual transmission. It looks like it because I took a console out of a manual transmission G35, hacked it up, modified it, molded it to mine. A lot of work on that to make it look like it's a manual, but that's not even really what I was going for. I just like the look of it. It's not to try to trick people. I'm admitting it right now. It's an automatic. I just like the look. But like I said, if the everything really could take off and everything goes in the right direction with what I have planned, we are going to convert it to a 6-speed, which I think will definitely just pull the car together. It would be a badass, fun-looking car, plus it would just make it that much more fun to drive. And then as far as the channel, yeah, I just really hope to just grow it. I want to get more people on board. As you guys know, we have Tony now in the channel, which is making it a lot more fun for me. He enjoys being part of it. He likes to take over. That's what I've been wanting from day one. Just somebody just willing to just take over my channel with me. Let me take over the camera, you know, and get in there and make it exciting, make it fun. So thank you, Tony, for that. But I want to get more people on board. You know, just not necessarily start a team or anything like that, but just a really cool, close group of friends and make some fun, exciting car content. I definitely plan on doing more out of the garage type stuff. Obviously, go on cruises, car shows, car meets again. Depending on how the year goes, if that stuff opens. But I know there are some secret meets and little things that kind of take place. So definitely I want to get more active on that and bring you guys along. Cruises, like I said, and all in all, just, you know, different scenery. I think that'll be pretty fun. I met a guy who actually is hooking him up with his air suspension, and he's going to take care of me as well when the time comes for mine. We're going to definitely get him on the channel very soon, and check out his shop and kind of just get some content going. So I'm super excited. There's a bright future, guys, for the channel. So like I said, please subscribe. Right now I'm trying to hit 4K, but next year I'm trying to hit 100K. You know what I mean? It is what it is. So Let's make it happen. I'm super confident on it. It's a lot of work. It's stressful. Sometimes I doubt myself, but I think anything's possible if you put your mind to it. I've proven that many times for myself in my own life. So I definitely think if I put my mind to it and just enjoy it and have fun with it and everything, I think we could definitely make anything possible. So a lot of exciting stuff, but obviously first things first, we got to get this biatch running, dude. I have no idea what the problem is. I appreciate everybody who has been commenting on my Instagram and on here as well. But the thing with that, it's a little stressful because I have 100 DMs of people saying I have that exact same issue. This is what I did. But then this person says they have the exact same issue, and that's what they did. And then this person says they have the exact same issue, and this is what they did. So there's like 500 different, 500 of the same problem, but 500 different solutions. So it's very stressful, and I'm trying my hardest to get it done and to try to listen to everybody and see what they have to say. But anyways, guys, I think that's where we're going to go ahead and leave it off. I want to kind of just chill for the day. I'm tired. I'm stressed still of everything. Both these cars are just really, it's a headache, but it's the name of the game. So subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of everything. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, definitely open to it. And let's grow. Honestly, guys, let's grow. We have the potential. It's there. We just got to make it happen. We just got to get our name and get the channel out there and just get that shit going. Giveaway at 4K. Stay tuned for that. I know I'm doing, one of the things is test pipes. I'm giving away my old test pipes, which are still fairly new. And then we'll figure something else out from there as well. So stay tuned. Hit that bell notification. Hit that thumbs up. It really, really, really does help the channel out a lot. It's all about the thumbs up and views, to be honest, not subscribers. But I just want more subscribers, so more subscribers we have, the more people on board, the more we grow, the more thumbs up we get, and so on and so forth. I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, guys, as always, peace out.